We will look at rules for abstract classes, do's and don'ts, what is allowed and what is not allowed. Let us look at this. These are the points you must remember, and how to remember, I have given you supporting examples already. Through those examples you can remember. Let us see this. I'll just tell you the points. See, first one, if you have an abstract class, right, a class keyword abstract is written, then the class is abstract. For any abstract class, you can declare a reference. Test is the name, right? Test T. You can declare the reference, but you cannot create the object. This is not allowed. So the first point, you can have the references of abstract classes, but you cannot create the object. Then second point, this is an abstract class test, and it is final. I'll tell you about the final in coming videos in detail. Just at this point, let us understand final class means it cannot be extended. It cannot have subclasses. Then what is the use of abstract class? Abstract classes are meant for the subclasses only. They are giving the standards for the subclasses. So abstract class cannot be final, right? And next thing, abstract class cannot be static. Usually static classes are nested classes. We have not learned about this. That time again I will tell you. You cannot make them as abstract. So static class cannot be abstract. Then next point, abstract class is having an abstract method, and this method is final. So abstract method cannot be final. So if you make a method as a final, it cannot be overridden. Abstract methods are meant for overriding only, but if you write final, you cannot override. So that's why abstract method cannot be final. This is not allowed, right? You cannot use final. The next point, I have an abstract class test1, and it is having an abstract method display. Then I have another class test2 extending from test1. So if a class is extending, it must override that abstract method. So you can see that I have overridden. If I am not overriding this, then this class also become abstract. So the point here is, if a subclass is there or any class is inheriting from abstract class, it must override abstract methods. Otherwise, the subclass also becomes a abstract class. And one more thing to add this, we cannot make a abstract method as final, and also we cannot make an abstract method as static also, right? Difference between static and final, we will study it later on. So that's all about abstract classes. So there is a demo after this video. Don't miss that demo. You can see what all I have explained you. I will give you a demonstration of that one. And also you have to practice whatever is shown in the demonstration.